Right folks, so that's me. I've made it to Coffs Harbour. It took, it was relatively quick, about 4 or 5 hours. It wasn't too long, about 370 kilometres or so. I had to make a couple of stops though because of the pissing rain. I woke up this morning to absolutely pouring rain. I had to put everything away in the wet. So my tent, sleeping bag, mat, everything gets soaked in the process. So it's all hanging outside now in the sun. It's quite warm here. I don't know what the forecast is to be like, but it's to stay that way. So anyway, when I got here I decided, just in case it might rain, I'm not camping again tonight, no chance. So I got myself a beach cabin, which is that one right there, with a bike parked just out front, which was great. So only an extra $50, so extra 30 quid. So yeah, can't complain. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to rest up here for this afternoon, take the bike out, go for a run around the town, and go find where my kind of starting point is for the trip tomorrow. I know I've got a couple of wee twisty turny roads that are kind of lead up into the mountains that take me up towards the I think the Waterfall Way, which is the first road. Waterfall Way, Thunderbolts Way, and then Buckets Way are the 3 roads I'm going to ride tomorrow, or between tomorrow and the next day. Tomorrow I end up somewhere up in the mountains camping again, but again I'm not going to camp, I'm going to switch it when I get there to do some sort of self-caring. Anyway, that's it, quick update now. So we're okay, everything's here, sun's back out again. Gotta love Australia, pissing me rain for hours on end, and then as soon as I arrive somewhere the sun always comes out, so that's a bonus. So it's time to get everything aired and get a cold beer on the go. So we'll talk to you again soon. Cheers.